Hello from Slovenia again. It's been a while since I played with this kitchen gadget. I don't know, strainer. What is this? Colander? No. I don't even know the English word. We call it penjelka in Slovene. And I will pour some paints in the split cup. Pour it on here. I really like the effects with this, so I said let's do the one today. And my colors today are Pebeo, Iridescent, Precious Gold, and I will pour this in this silicone split cup. Still don't know the release date, but should be soon. Phthalo Blue by Amsterdam, Titanium White by Amsterdam, and this is Sky Blue Topaz by Decor Extreme Sheen, and this is Permanent Blue Violet. Oop. Okie doke. White, and maybe I will pour a little white here in the middle. Okie doke, let's do that. Oh, just a second. Okay. I like all those drippings. That's why I went with my cup on the outside of the strainer or whatever this is. We'll pour just some white around just to have enough paint. I will just marry the pattern with the flow extender. I like it for now, but we will see how it will look like when I will work with it. It's not in the middle, but I'm not mad about it, so I will spin that out. Yeah, done. Next time I have to do more around to have those drips and go to the middle at the end. But it's kind of cool. Just not mad about this gold part, but should be okay when it will dry. Let me take you down. Definitely a busy one, but there is so many things to look at. Those drips are just amazing, some of them. I will leave it dry because I like it. Here she is dry. I think that it's kind of cool with all those kind of pleats or whatever you can call them. I wish that there will be a little more of this blue popping through. I think that I should use just maybe 3 chambers, 3 colors, not 5 or whatever I used. But it's cool. This gold section still kind of bothers me a little bit, but not so much. So I'm happy. Some icy kind of painting reminds me of an ice. It would be cool because it's so hot here in Slovenia. Okay, this is it for today. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye.